It is time now for better food, and today we are talking brunch.
Chef Michael Yaffe from Vue 24 at Foxwoods Resort Casino is showing us how to make something called bacon steak.
That's not bacon wrap steak.
It's not bacon wrap steak.
Bacon steak.
It's bacon steak.
Thick cut slab bacon.
Oh,
house cured, house smoked, thick slice served at brunch.
I don't think I've ever seen bacon as thick as this. This is remarkable.
Do you ask them to cut it that way, or do you get
We
special?
cut it ourselves.
You cut it, so you don't usually see it this thick in a store, right?
You can always ask.
You can ask.
If you have a butcher or whoever to do it, or if you just buy slab bacon, you can cut it yourself.
Well, this is why you go to brunch at Foxwoods. So you have bacon steak.
Yeah, right. I mean, where else are you going to? I see. That's what I like. I love going to brunch, and I love trying different things that I'm never going to try at home. Like this is something I'm never going to try at home.
Yeah, it's just not going to happen.
And tell us a little bit about the brunch, because you get to try a lot. It's a giant buffet, right?
Yep, giant cold buffet. So I have salads, fruit, shrimp cocktail. We have breakfast breads from Cake by Franck, desserts from Cake by Franck as well. And then you order off the hot menu, and you just unlimited. Everything's unlimited.
It's unlimited.
Unlimited.
So it's pay one price and
pay one price. Come beat me up and just keep ordering food. Hang out.
I could have, say, I want the bacon steak or the brioche French toast you made before. That's okay.
That's all right. And then you sit down. If you want to try something else, you want a couple shareable plates for the middle of the table.
Let me ask you a question. Can you leave and come back like 7 hours later?
No. Can you go take a nap in your room and then come back?
No.
You get a wristband.
You do have to camp out a little bit.
Yeah.
That's fantastic, though. So, are reservations needed, or you just show up?
You can walk in. Reservations are always appreciated.
Appreciated. That's fantastic.
But it's a big enough place. A lot of times you'll take people if we make a spur of the moment. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Now this is cauliflower?
Yep. So we have charred cauliflower. So we just blanched it in boiling salted water, took it out, and throw it right in the same pan.
Isn't that great? We love one-pot meals, Kara.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is a one-pot meal. Only there's going to be like 15 pots you can choose from at the brunch.
Exactly, which is fantastic. All right, so we also, now that it's Black Friday, we are going to be shopping, and Tanger is the place to go.
Yes.
And there's Shop, Dine, and Win going on, which if people don't know what that is, I showed the story earlier, but we get to go. If we shop at Tanger Outlets, you spend $100, then they give you a $10 gift card. You can go to use that at Guy Fieri, and then you get this entry where we could win a $5,000 gift card to shop at Tanger, or 5 people will win $1,000 gift cards.
Okay, that's fantastic. That's great. And I love those outlets. Every time I go down to do a story at Foxwoods, I end up going there and shopping. And I keep dropping money, which is...
love that.
I'm trying to make money by working here, and I keep dropping my money in Tanger, which is just great. So I love it.
Can't beat it.
You can spend the whole day. So really, if you go down there, you want to do some Christmas shopping, holiday shopping, you can fill up first on your brunch, and then you can go...
Yeah, go shopping. We're right there at Grand Pequot Tower, so the entrance to the Tanger Outlets right there.
What are these going to be for? The toppings?
Yeah, a little garnish.
Okay, so that you don't cook any of these things up.
That's just all garnish.
And that we talked about. What are those? Little
pink peppercorn, and then we have a little bit of maple sugar.
Okay.
Just in case you needed a little bit more
maple.
Wait, you put maple sugar on the bacon? Oh, look at it getting so brown. That's how you want it, right?
Yeah.
You want it nice and sizzled like that. Ooh.
Oh my God, that looks beautiful.
This is so funny to me, because if you ate that, that is a meal in and of itself, but you're going to have 10 other things at brunch.
Oh yeah.
Exactly. Like you just get one slab and you're good to go, because you're going to eat 17 other different things.
Yeah. Everything's shareable.
That smells so good.
Oh my God.
Everything is shareable, but unfortunately, we're not going to be sharing it today because I'm eating
Charred cauliflower. So you got the spices from that.
Yep. Do that.
And now you're going to have a little bit of
Spaghetti aioli. So,
what is that?
That's just a smoked pepper.
Smoked pepper aioli.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
A little bit of microgreens. Why not? So we pretend that we're having a salad.
Sticks.
Yeah, just so you know.
Color.
It's a little bit of healthy.
And then what are these? Pickled red onions.
Pickled red onions.
I got it right. I got it right. I got it right.
That's a trend right now. Pickled onions seem to be having a thing right now, right?
Pickle everything. Pickle green beans. Pickle. You name it, you can pickle it.
We want to pickle it. Okay.
Yep.
Pickle drinks. They have pickle drinks now. We were just
picklebacks.
Picklebacks, yeah.
Yep.
And then we're good to go.
That is good to go.
All right, Kara, I'm going to give you a little.
Okay. Perfect. Little taste here.
Might be hot.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Any good?
It's very good. No, I mean, bacon steak. How horrible is that? And it's delicious.
Oh, that is really, really good.
That's decadent.
And it's just a fun brunch dish. It's something a little bit different.
That's your gift to yourself that you eat bacon steak.
Right. So you have the French toast, you have a lobster omelet, you have whatever you want.
A lobster
omelet?
Come on.
All right. Well, you
Vue
can go
24.
I'm going for the bacon. All right, for a delicious brunch that you don't have to cook for yourself, head over to beautiful Vue 24 at Foxwoods. You can also check them out online at foxwoods.com/vue-24.